Right, so today's job is the underside of this. I get a lot of questions saying why don't we do underside. Well, today's job is the underside. You can't really see it. It might not turn out right well on video, but I'll try. I'll see if I can get some lights set up and show you this. I'm not looking forward to climbing a bar top floor. I'm going to get soaked. You know, it's not going to be right nice today, but it's just basically underside of this, and then bits that I can't get because of them blocks are there. I think we're just going to end up pulling them out and then grinding that area. I'm not sure if this is getting done. I'll probably end up doing it just to be safe. Yeah. Right, let's get into it. That's your small onion. That's shallot. This is that's just mill scale. That I've tickled that off because that weren't part of the job sheet, but I just fetched it up and put a key to it so I can get some paint on it while he's painting it. But that's your job. Oh, let's get under again. Look at that. Like brand new. They left the jacket up all summer to then grind them patches because it's getting late today. Let's check see if I've got everything. Right, catch you on next one.